Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Okafumi Cynthia, and in today's video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can farm free Omni coin on Binance Launchpool before it is listed on the 17th of April 2024. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Let me show you how you can stake your FDUSD and also your BNB to claim free Omni coin on Binance before its listing. So if you have visited my channel for the first time, my name is Okafumi Cynthia. Do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Let's grow together. Thank you very much for being here today. Let's jump in right into the video. Thank you. Alright guys, so let me show you how you can actually stake your BNB and your FDUSD if you want to get free Omni coin from the Binance Launchpool. So first and foremost, you have to make sure that you have a verified Binance account. So after making sure you have a verified Binance account, the next thing is to come to the search bar, right, and search for Launchpool. Just search Launchpool. Right, you can see Launchpool. Click on it. You're going to see Omni coin. Right, sorry, what just happened here? All right, Launchpool. All right, so this is it. You can see we have the Omni coin Launchpool. It's 4 days. You can see its total rewards is 3.5 million. Farming period is 4 days. Time frame is remaining some hours to come to an end. So click on it. We are going to be seeing. You can see we have 238,000 participants have staked BNB. Why 210,000 people have staked FDUSD, right? So you can see, and the total they have staked is 18 million BNB, and also 3 billion FDUSDT has been staked for this coin. Now this is to show you that a lot of people are staking a whole lot of money to actually get free Omni, right? Now this coin is estimated to actually go as high as ×4 after its launch on Binance, right? You can go and make more research about it. I'm also going to be uploading a video after this particular video that is going to be reviewing this Omni coin and its price projection, right? So to stake I'm going to be giving an example with only FDUSDT. The same way you stake FDUSD is the same way you can as well stake BNB. So all you have to do is click on the stake, right? When you click on it, you're going to see how much you're able to stake, right? So you can see my spot balance is 50 FDUSD. So for you to stake, you can actually, let's say you want to stake 20. I'm not really big on Binance Launchpool. I prefer Bybit Launchpool and CoinStock Launchpad, because they give a whole lot of money compared to Binance Launchpool, right? So let's take for instance I want to be staking 50 FDUSD. If you want to do maximum, you just click on it to put all the money that you have here, but we are not doing maximum. We just want to use 20 for instance, right? All right, so you click on stake and we have successfully staked our own, right? So after every 1 hour I'm going to have unclaimed F Omni, right, to claim here. After 1 hour, if I come back here, I'm going to claim some Omni. Then if let's say this coin is actually having, let's say, 10 days farming period, after 2 days I can come back and say I want to redeem my money, I don't want to stake again, and you redeem. It's not locked, right? So that is it. You can as well read about the project that you are staking your money on, because it's very, very important. You can from here go through their website, right? You can see. You can as well open their what are they calling it? You can as well open their okay, sorry. You can as well open their white paper, their website, their research reports, their launchpool tutorial. You can see now they have total rewards that they have given today is 700 and something thousand, and maximum hourly rewards is 3,000. You can see total BNB stakes they are showing you, and you are also going to see total FDUSD stakes, right? So if you want to participate in this farming, all you have to do is to stake some of your project. Before you stake your coin, it's also important that you should just come over here and try to know a little about the coin that you are investing, that you are staking your money to get. So as well, have little knowledge on how good the coin is going to perform after it's been listed on Binance, right? So I hope you guys got value from this particular Omni Launchpool video tutorial. If you did, do let me know in the comment section, and if there's any video you want me to talk about on this channel, also do well to let me know in the comment section. Do well to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I share lots of educative content around how to make money online, crypto, etc. So see you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.